Konichiwa kimono wearers. Let's have a final look at Nozawa Onsen Ski Resort, a half-arsed guide from a flat-arsed guy. Let's start at the top, one of the Yamabiko runs.
Ready?
Born ready.
This is Yamabiko E. The Yamabiko runs are all red. They can be groomed or all chopped up, depending on when you hit them and the amount of snow. But they are all fun runs where you can hit the afterburner as much as you can handle. Today got chopped up pretty quickly. If you're intermediate and above, as well as the Yamabiko runs, I'd be heading to Skyline, Schneider and Challenge for some thrills. And if you're a beginner, head to those runs for a sphincter tightening, about to meet my maker kind of feeling. If you're looking for some off-piste legal fun, head up to the top of the resort and you get access to powder and trees between the Yamabiko runs. Here's Jaffa doing his best meerkat impersonation.
It's still flashing green, does that mean it's still on?
Yeah. It turned off.
Yeah. We'll go to the bottom. I'm going to take a piss, so I might stop at that restaurant.
Oh yeah.
You heard it from the man himself. It's wee-wee time. If you're a genuine beginner, you're still doing those pizza snowplow turns, Uenotaira is going to be your friend. 99% of it will be like a cuddly soft toy, a gentle slope where you can't pick up too much speed. There is a final dip in the run where you might pee your pants just a little bit, but it will only be brief and chances are no one will be able to smell the wee when you stop for lunch.
Oh fuck.
And this is the dip at the end of Uenotaira. Jaffa is rarely holding on to his wee-wee at this stage. He's approaching peak wee-wee crisis. Just passing a good mountain restaurant here and the tops of the Hokage gondola and Paradise chair. There's the Hulk, looking resplendent in her ski gear, but not interested in the skiing bit.
Stop it. Hey, Sarah.
Hilariously, pre-trip she wondered whether she should hire premium skis as this would aid her carving. Turned out the only carving she did was cutting up her pork katsu.
Yeah, that's something.
Once you've conquered Uenotaira, another good beginner run is Paradise. It's nice and wide, it's a bit steeper, it's a slope where you can progress from pizza to French fries. And at the end of Paradise is Rinkan. Gotta get in front of these ski school kiddies. Rinkan is green, it's 5k's, it's an easy way to get down to the bottom of the mountain, in this case the Hakage base. Speed bump in the middle of the track to avoid. Although Rinkan is an easy way down the mountain, Ramen did have an incident. She was meant to turn right, but instead, and inexplicably, skied straight into a snow wall, full body implant. If you look closely going by, you could clearly see her teeth implanted into the snow. Sadly no video footage, but she's promised to do it again next year. So why come to Nozawa? I reckon the main reason is for the genuine Japanese cultural experience. The village is nice and compact, it hasn't been overdeveloped. Part of that cultural experience is the onsens too. I thought the last thing I would want to do on holiday is sit around with naked strangers, but turns out that's a highlight. And because the village hasn't been overdeveloped, the place doesn't get overly crowded. Very rarely did we have to wait in line for a lift, and when we did, that lasted for less than a minute. Nagasaka. The Nagasaka base is a common starting point, as the free shuttle bus will drop you off here. It's a green run, another okay run for those mastering the transition from pizza to French fries.
Last little run of the holiday. Just came off Skyline. About to hit Nagasaka. And that's it for the snow.
Want to pass this skier, but he's making it as difficult as possible. Get out of my way! And that's it, snow part of holiday over. I'm not crying, you're crying.
Good timing.
By snow, ironically it was the Hulk that was the closest to shedding tears, but she used her Hulk strength to hold them in. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!